In a world that's constantly evolving, true leadership lies in the ability to honor the past while boldly shaping the future. At Orient Paper Industries Ltd, we don't just make paper, we craft legacies. Backed by the enduring strength of the CKA Birla Group, with a heritage spanning over 170 years and more than $3 billion turnover, Orient Paper stands as a pillar of stability and transformation. We are proud contributors to nation building, empowering institutions and communities across India. Since 1936, our paper-making journey has grown stronger, guided by leadership and a commitment to excellence.
Orient Paper is on a cusp of a major transformation. We are working on two initiatives. One, we are reshaping a product portfolio and moving more towards value-added products. This will help us meet the emerging needs of the market. That is one. And second is we are investing and modernizing our existing machines. This will not only unlock capacity, but will also enhance efficiency and quality of our existing products.
From our advanced mill in Amlai, we lead with innovation, positioning us as a pioneer in the writing, printing and virgin tissue segments.
At Orient, we are delivering the best-in-class products with the state-of-the-art tissue machines and writing bindle paper machines. We are committed to deliver the customer expectation all the time. As a corporate responsible citizens, we are adopting environment-friendly technologies and processes.
With a view to empower our local communities, we have partnered with NGOs and FPOs to make a difference in their lives. Through our partnership with the ASA Foundation, we are helping conserve the planet, empowering progress and transforming lives of people.
आप सभी को नमस्ते। मेरा नाम पुष्पा सिंह है। मैं ग्राम मलगा से हूँ। मैं एक विधवा महिला हूँ जो कि आज 3 साल पहले से आशा संस्था से जुड़ी हूँ। मेरी आर्थिक स्थिति बहुत गंभीर थी, जो कि आज मैं आशा संस्था से जुड़ के मेरी आर्थिक स्थिति बहुत सुधार आई है। मैंने अपने बच्चों को अच्छे संस्कार, अच्छे शिक्षा दे पा रही हूँ।
Through our CSR programs, we positively impact more than 450,000 lives with initiatives that align with 16 of the 17 UN Sustainable Development Goals, reinforcing our role as a responsible and future-focused organization. At Orient Paper Industries Ltd, we don't just make paper. We craft solutions that impact society, the environment, and the economy. Our portfolio of writing and printing papers serves the textbook and notebook segment, directly supporting the objectives of the National Education Policy and Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Through these products, we help drive inclusive literacy and education across all sections of society, empowering the next generation of learners. Orient remains deeply committed to health, hygiene, and wellness through our virgin tissue products, a focus that has become even more vital in the post-COVID era. Our efforts align with national priorities such as the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and the National Health Mission, advancing sanitation, public health, and the overall well-being of communities. Our commitment to nature is reflected in our plastic substitution portfolio, where we provide sustainable alternatives like cup stock, carry bags, and other eco-friendly solutions. These products not only reduce environmental impact, but also support global and national goals for sustainability and responsible consumption. Innovation drives us. This led to the launch of Orient Bamboo Natura, India's only bamboo tissue, rich in bamboo. It champions sustainability and supports national initiatives such as the National Bamboo Mission. promoting self-reliance and eco-friendly alternatives that are being adopted at high-footfall locations like the Mumbai International Airport. Our diversified portfolio also addresses institutional needs with products like Orient Platinum Copier, designed for schools, colleges, and corporate environments. It is automatically packed using advanced linomatic technology, ensuring consistent quality, hygiene, and efficiency.
As an agile organization, Orient Paper is closely monitoring the shifting demand patterns of customers as well as geopolitical dynamics which determines the trade flows and supplies. We are constantly innovating our product portfolio, looking into sectors of growth within the paper industry. One of our major focus areas in recent times is our refurbished copier brand, with which we want to enter the B2C arena. In tissue, our sustainable bamboo range is gaining traction and well entrenched with new age, environment-friendly customers.
As we look to the future, our focus is on building capabilities that not only enhance efficiency today, but also opens doors to tomorrow's opportunities.
Our twin strategy of product innovation and operational excellence will help us sweat our assets in an efficient manner. It will help us strengthen our position in the industry, and it will make the company much more sustainable, much more future ready for all our stakeholders.
Anchored in paper, driven by innovation, guided by purpose, strengthened by partnerships, committed to the planet, and inspired by progress, we are Paper for Good. Paper with purpose.